Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is a video in response to Mr. Federov. Left me a message that he needs R8 on the board here. It's going to be right up in here on the PCB. He has very similar or the same unit, and the first time he plugged it in, it popped, and he can't seem to find, which I totally understand, can't find any schematics or nothing on it that help him out. So we're gonna try to help him out right here real quick and tell him what R8 is, and we'll pass it along. Right? Sounds good. So we'll just get it open. Should just be a matter of opening it up, and hopefully everything's staying where it is. Finding out what R8 is. It should be established on the resistor itself, and if not, we'll just have to measure it. But hopefully we can help out Mr. Federov and have another happy customer. So we'll see what we can do here. As we always like to do, we keep everybody happy. So we'll see. I got the message yesterday, so we'll see what we can do. And it is the beginning of another beautiful week here for us and for all you guys, even if you are just ahead or behind us in time. Yeah. Oh gosh, the board's gotta be flipped. You gotta be kidding me. Well, we'll have to flip it. R8. You knew it couldn't be too easy. And this way we get to check it over. I've had this apart a couple times now, but once you start taking apart a lot of things, you kind of forget what you took apart, even if it's a couple months ago. You're gonna let a backwards board stop us. See, we can gently bring this out. Oh, you know what? It's stuck in there. Ah, that's right. It's gotta be pried out because the potentiometer here, the dial actually holds that in. We'll see if we can't. That popped out. There it goes. Now I'm going to hold it so I get the right direction when it goes back in. I'm going to keep that right there. I just need R8. Ah. Doesn't have, here is R8. There's nothing there. If you look down in there, bring it right up. See down in there, R8, right about in here. Just below that square box, R8. There's nothing there, nothing populated. There's R9 there. Looks like a 5 under that. So I hope that this is going to help him. Try to get the best shot that I can without dumping everything here. Hopefully you guys can see in there pretty good and get the colors and everything that you need. Let me do a little zoomage. Make sure you can really just walk right over the board one more time. So you can see R8 has nothing there. R9 and above it R5. Take a good look. So hopefully that, I don't understand how that would have blown when it's not even connected, but I don't know what else I can do to try to help him here. I really don't. But by showing that, kind of at a loss. And this got to go up in here. When you're putting it back, you want to make sure that LED lines up at the hole on this side. I can't flip it right now. Need to get this put in. If I lose it, lose everything. This has got to go back in this way. Again, that potentiometer just pushes up in, actually holds the board down. Everything looks good and clean. You can see that switch wearing out here in time. There's nothing to retract that switch except for just the switch itself, which you know isn't very strong. But hey, don't know what to tell you, but there ain't much more I can do here. But put it back together and oh, I gotta put them screws in the board. Yeah, I really don't know what to tell anyone that has any problems like that. Maybe they have a different board, but at least it showed, hopefully it showed on camera real well, all the different components, and maybe you can find yours, whether it was R8 or something close to it, or they're just differently labeled. I'm not sure. I really don't know. Don't know the answers to everything, but I'll try to figure out what I can for you guys. And mostly wish him the best of luck. It just bothers me that he got something brand new or new, and as soon as he plugged it in, because the wires were shorted and didn't know about it, the thing popped on him. So that kind of bums me out. I hate to hear that. I'd hate to have that happen to anyone. So I hope that he at least gets his situation figured out. I hope this has been enough, and if there's any more I can do to help, let me know with that. But as usual, thanks guys. If you feel like it, give me a thumbs up, whatever, subscribe, whatever makes you happy, and have a great week guys. Thank you.